Hey guys, it's Michelle with Adventure Mentality. In today's video, I'm going to share some of the highlights from our fishing adventure in Orlando, Florida. So let's get started. So it's 5 o'clock in the morning. He's making me go fishing, and I'm so tired. He's so excited. The only thing that will make this better is if I catch the biggest fish. So, going up. Hopefully, I can catch the biggest fish. Oh, it's still dark. I don't want to be up this early, especially not to go fishing. I'll be alright though. I'll survive. Look at him running out to the boat. He's so excited. My gosh. Look at that monster. It's still dark out here. Yeah, so we're getting ready to get on the boat. It's gonna be a blast. Are you so excited? Are you so excited?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. Mình cả này con nó dễ nè nó
It's different.
mực thì cái nó quá nè.
Alright, I will.
Bad.
Don't lose it.
Alright guys, ready?
Yeah. So I caught 4 fish,
Yep. 4 fish.
3 bass, 1 gar. Mark caught 2.5 fish. You caught 2.5. 2.5. Cause you caught that.
Hey, I didn't.
You Mark caught 2.5.
Mark's trying to shortchange it.
So he caught 3. I'll give him 3, I guess. Moving spots.
One back.
It's not warm up.
English.
No. It's pretty.
Go ahead
Oh,
and
hold
break it
on.
for me.
Bang, bang.
So Justin declared me the winner. I got biggest bass, biggest mudfish, and the biggest gar. So I
Number 1.
win.
He's a close second.
Close second. Pretty fun day. We're gonna have to come back.